Alright guys, I'm gonna be looking at my Xbox 360 that I got off from some asshole on Buy and Sell Games Facebook group. This is what I get. It's literally like super glued all the parts together, and this fucking just, wow, really? This drive doesn't open up, so kind of figured that out on my own. And this thing looks like it's just glued in as well. Even though this worked as a power button for some reason. I feel like I'm playing with Legos. Well, I'm just gonna fix it right now. So this is how you fix this jam error. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. Got Red Ring of Death now. I thought I could have sworn it was gonna fix it. Now it looks like some disco ball. Well, make it look all. Oh wow, that's all legit now. Make it look all cool. Xbox 360. More games. More like garbage. This is what you get from Microsoft. Look at this shit. The fuck is this shit? Well, I drank all my tea already. And you gotta make sure it soaks in all the vents, so like it that cleans out the system real good. This is what's gonna cure your Xbox 360's Red Ring of Death. So make sure you kind of smack it around a little bit with the faceplate. You know, make sure it gets absorbed really well. This way, the Xbox can, you know, be more hydrated, because sometimes they get overheated and dehydrated. And just like humans, they need water, they need fluids in their system. This is what makes the system, you know, work more smoother. Playing games, shitty games like Project Gotham and Forza. And, well, Forza's not bad, but you know, Project Gotham is shit. And next, try to yank out, you know, this put this here. Still being a disco ball. Maybe try throwing a penny in there. Penny. It's like a, you know, arcade game. Oh, maybe do this one. Go over here. Oh, I went in there. Maybe a dime so I can play the arcade game. Xbox 360. Great place to store your coins. So yeah, I'll make a new video about the status of this console.